Welcome to Chalco Aluminum, a global supplier of precision-engineered aluminum plates, coils, tubes, rods, and custom forgings with full in-house capabilities from melting to machining. We specialize in industrial-grade aluminum solutions designed for strength, precision, and reliability. Since 2007, Chalco has grown into a leading force in the aluminum sector. Our products are trusted by industrial customers in over 40 countries. With 400,000 square meters of production space and 11 advanced lines, we deliver over 100,000 tons of aluminum each year. Every step, from casting to final machining, is completed in-house, ensuring quality, consistency, and on-time delivery. Our vertically integrated facilities cover melting, extrusion, forging, heat treatment, CNC machining, and quality inspection. This enables tight tolerance customization, fast prototyping, and scalable production for both standard and tailored parts. We work with top-grade alloys like 6061, 6082, and 7075, supplying structural profiles, precision tubes, and machined components for critical systems. Our aluminum solutions are widely used in aerospace, defense manufacturing, rail transit, power and energy systems, as well as architectural and chemical equipment. Whether it's high-strength structural parts, lightweight profiles, precision tubing, or corrosion-resistant containers, Chalco delivers where performance is critical. We provide global clients with fast sampling, technical drawing assistance, certified documentation, and flexible logistics, all backed by ISO 9001 and AS 9100 quality systems. At Chalco Aluminum, we go beyond supplying parts, we build partnerships for long-term success. Let's create stronger solutions together.